Craig, great to catch up with you. Your thoughts on whether this changes much for you?
Well, look, this is good news, but I think it was largely expected already. In fact, from the very first bid that Comcast made for Fox at 35, it looked like they were sort of wrong-footed in their pursuit for Fox. But look, let's be honest. What you said at the open is exactly right. Investors didn't want them to get Fox, so the fact that they were wrong-footed was actually good news. This is a welcome development. But it's only half of the story. Investors don't want them to get Sky either. So the best case scenario would be they lose both and go back to being a cable company, which is what investors always wanted from the beginning.
So what do you think the next move is for Brian Roberts, Craig?
I don't know. As I say, it's welcome news that this is resolved. Now the question is once Disney has certainty about Fox, do they now get more aggressive and try to close the Sky deal as well, which would be accretive, particularly to earnings, because they would be able to consolidate it and would give them full control of the asset. I don't really know how to forecast the probability of that. As other guests have said, there's a lot of debt involved. You can easily imagine that Disney views Sky as a nice-to-have and not a must-have in this acquisition. And so you could imagine that they welcome the option of letting Comcast have it. Or you can imagine they pursue it aggressively, and either of those is plausible.